Hey everyone, I'm Vishwa. I'm a consultant gynecologist from London. If you are like me and want to be time efficient in your kitchen and turn around quick, nutritious and delicious recipes in no time, then you are in the right place. Welcome to Feed Your Body, Mind and Soul. Today we are going to make a South Indian inspired chickpea nourish bowl, and the best part of this is we are going to do this in under 20 minutes. Please do watch the video till the end as I'll give you a pro tip. To start with, I have taken 1 cup of rice with 3 cups of water, put it in a microwave safe bowl and left it in the microwave for 20 minutes to cook. My microwave is 1000 watts. Next, I'm going to make a chickpea aubergine curry. To make the chickpea aubergine curry, we need chickpeas. I have used black chickpeas. You can also use white. I've rinsed them thoroughly to remove all the aquafaba, which is the liquid around the chickpeas, to get rid of substances that cause bloating when you sometimes eat chickpeas. I have chopped 1 medium-sized onion, 2 medium-sized tomatoes with the seeds and the juice and all. I have also cut aubergines into small chunks and put them in water because this stops them from browning.
To a large pot on high heat, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and wait for it to splutter. Once spluttered, add the chopped onions, saute to coat with oil, and then add the tomatoes and a teaspoon of salt. The salt helps to pull the water out of the tomatoes and helps them to go mushy. Reduce the flame, cover and cook for 3 minutes.
So this is a traditional recipe that my mum taught me, so I have kept it just the way she taught me. But I'll also give you some substitutes as well. So I have got 100 grams of fresh coconut, this length of tamarind. If you don't have tamarind, just use tamarind paste. And by the way, if you don't have fresh coconut, just use 200 ml of coconut milk, which is unsweetened. I've got 5 cloves of garlic, 5 tablespoons of chickpeas, and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all this into my high-speed blender and pour 200 ml of water in the high-speed blender and grind it into a fine paste.
Now add the dry ingredients: 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 2 tablespoons coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 2 teaspoons of coconut sugar. Mix. Add 2 tablespoons of water to deglaze the pan and to stop the spices from sticking to the bottom. Give it a minute for the spices to release the beautiful aroma. Add aubergines and chickpeas and give a mix. Add the blended paste and 300 ml of water to wash out the blender. Mix well to combine. Turn up the heat and cook on high for 6 to 8 minutes till you get this incredible aroma wafting through your kitchen.
So while the curry is cooking, I'm going to make some sauteed spinach with onion and chili flakes. To do this, we need some kind of greens. You could use spinach. I'm using radish greens from my veggie pot from my vegetable garden. And let's get started.
While this is cooking, to another small pan on high heat, add a teaspoon of olive oil. Once it is hot, add mustard seeds. Once spluttered, add Channa dhal and Urad dhal and wait for them to slightly brown and add crunchiness. If you don't have these, you can use peanuts and they do the same. Add half of a chopped onion, saute for 30 seconds, then add a teaspoon of salt, 200 grams of spinach, half a teaspoon of turmeric and chili flakes to taste. Reduce the flame, cover and cook for 2 minutes. Open the lid, add some fresh coconut and switch off the stove. Give the curry a mix and we are ready to plate up. So to plate up, add half a cup of rice, which is about a quarter of your plate. The chickpea and aubergine curry to make about half of your plate, and then top up with vegetables of your choice. I've added the sauteed spinach that we have cooked, some grated carrots, grated radish and grated cucumber. I've added these because this is what I have. But I've made sure that I eat at least 1 green leafy vegetable and 1 orange vegetable and a variety of other vegetables in every meal. Top up with black sesame seeds and cashew nuts to get your essential fatty acids.
So there you go, our South Indian inspired Nourish Bowl with all the nutrients you need in one meal in under 20 minutes. I hope you really enjoy making it and eating it too. Just one tip before you go, I've used yogurt on the side. This is a dairy yogurt, but if you want, you can use a coconut yogurt and it works well too. Alright folks, before you go away, here's my pro tip which I actually promised you at the beginning of the video. Some of us that are vegetarian or vegan or people that don't eat seafood, lack of iodine can occur because we can't substitute in our diet. Lack of iodine can cause a number of health problems. A well-known one is an underactive thyroid. It's very easily sorted. All you have to do is use iodized salt in your cooking and that will take care of your daily requirement for your iodine. In fact, in over 100 countries in the world, iodized salt is compulsory. So that was my pro tip. Hope you liked this video. Please give your valuable comments and suggestions down below. This is Vishwa signing off for Feed Your Body, Mind and Soul.